Hi, today for breakfast I'm making donut holes. These are so quick and easy and fun to make. You're going to start with any canned biscuit, refrigerated biscuit that you like, a quarter cup of granulated sugar, a half a cup of vegetable oil, and you're going to slice the refrigerated biscuit into very small pieces, and then you're going to use your hands to roll them into little round balls so that they can be in the shape of a donut hole. Next, you're going to heat your oil to just a medium heat. If it's too hot, when you place the little round balls into the oil, it will cook a little too fast. And so the whole concept of these donut holes and cooking them on the stove is to measure the heat. And so you want it to be just a medium temperature, hot enough to cook it on the inside and brown it lightly on the outside, but not too hot to burn it. You're going to cook these donut holes, not letting them rest on any one side, so you'll continue to stir. And then you're going to cook them for about 1 minute and lift them out, just as you see here, and place them on a paper towel. You let them rest for about 30 seconds, and then you're going to dip them into the bowl of sugar and coat them, as you can see here. And you can serve them warm and hot. This is what they look like. They're cooked completely inside, and they are delicious for a fast treat or a twist on a morning breakfast favorite.